everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart grocery haul, and I haven't filmed a Walmart one in a while. I did pick up about, I would say 5, maybe 6 meals, but I'm going to put a meal plan in the description box this time too. Also in the cards and in the description box there's going to be an in the kitchen playlist as well as what's for dinners, all that fun stuff, so definitely don't forget to check that out. Let's jump right in. So shredded lettuce, I got some tomatoes, 2% milk, a head of cabbage, a chef salad, some raspberries, original sour cream. I'm going to have a new taco recipe. I'm going to make a video out of it too. There's going to be a recipe coming soon. A large bag of the mild cheddar cheese. I got a couple cereals. We got the Great Value Magic Treasures, which is a Lucky Charms knockoff, and the Fruit Loops with marshmallows. Here. Got some jumbo hot dogs for the grill, and it is a gloomy day. It's very rainy and overcast. So, anyway, some little Smokies, some medium-sized flour tortillas. I think the taco recipe I'm going to try will also be good in like a burrito kind of style form, as well as I'm going to make quesadillas, chicken quesadillas one night. I got some hot dog buns, and the Goldfish Flavor Blasted Extra Cheddar for corner for snack, and I also picked up some Doritos for taco salad as well. Aside for a quick dinner night, I picked up the 4 cheese mashed potatoes. These are just instant potatoes. You can cook them on the stove, you can cook them in the microwave. Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. This is so yummy. Minced garlic. I got the reduced sodium soy sauce. Taco seasoning. 2 peppered gravy mixes. Minute white rice for recipe. Brasseroni, the beef flavor for dinner one night. And I got 2 creamy chicken ramens, and a new ramen to try is the Korean barbecue flavor. I got kind of some of these Brasseroni creamy 4 cheese rices. And these poppin' chicken. They used to be little smiley faces, but now they're little dinosaurs. 3 of those. And he likes to try Japanese snacks. So today I found this carbonated soft drink in strawberry. They had melon and a just original kind of flavor. That was he'll like that. And these little koala march, they're little cookie crackers with a filling inside. And he's had the chocolate ones, but he's never had the strawberry. So today we picked up the strawberry one to try. More freezer items. This is so good. The General Tso's chicken. It's kind of spicy, but it's so yummy. I got some frozen steam in a bag broccoli florets. And chicken fajita strips for chicken quesadillas, and a 20-piece biscuit in the butter tasting flavor. They haven't had this flavor in a long while at our Walmart, so I picked this one up from Pillsbury for breakfast. Last but not least, I got 3 of these ground beef rolls for some meals, and a package of stew meat, also for a new recipe I'm going to try. And yeah, so that's everything I got at Walmart today. Hope you guys enjoyed the grocery haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Check the description box and the cards for additional in the kitchen links, as well as the meal plan in the description box. So thank you guys so very much for watching.